Hi, I'm Terry. 2 years ago, we lucked out American Key Supply, especially Mike Kenessey. They sent us this Triton. So it's over 2 years ago. For 6 months, we used it in the shop. We tested it. We played with it. We just cut keys on it. And it's been in the truck now for a year and a half. This key machine has been fantastic. I can't believe it. It has 2 years of heavy duty use. It's been sitting here in the truck the whole year and a half. It's our go-to machine for, I'd say, 90% of our keys, automotive keys. So when we're cutting automotive keys, so we cut the mechanical key, then when it works, we cut the transponder key. It's had a lot, and this has had a lot of use, and it still looks great. It still performs great. So we've updated the software a couple times. It's got an engraving option. So I can engrave my high security keys, and when I do master key systems. So I come out here and I put the engraving piece on it. We've used it for everything, but it's mostly 99% automotive. The only suggestion is on the little mini lathe, I wouldn't call it a drill bit, a lathe bit, slow down your speed. If you slow down your speed, these things last a long time. It's amazing, but if you speed it up too much, you're going to chew up bits. So slow down your speed on there, and it does the trick. So year and a half in the service truck. Now we cleaned it up today with all the brass filings everywhere. Year and a half in the truck, and look at it, and it still cuts accurately. We do calibrate it pretty regular because it's in the truck, it's bouncing around. But there's nothing special here. We just put it on here. It's in the back of the truck, all the different weather, it's pretty exposed. The other thing, you got your tendency to pull on this. Don't do that. Don't yank this up. It's a fantastic machine. I highly recommend it. American Key Supply has been a great company to deal with, Mike Kenessey, and Lock Labs. Thank you very much for sending this between American Key Supply, Lock Labs. This has been great. 2 years, year and a half in the truck, 6 months in the shop. Highly, highly recommend this. Love it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.